This is spiderweb and velvet rainbow obsidian, the sharpest material on earth. Let me show you how I make these knives. But first, we need to cut some blanks. There's a template on the spider and on the velvet. That's the blanks cut. Now we've got to skim them. Next up, we need to select handles. So for the velvet, I'm gonna go with red deer antler. I'm thinking like this, kind of cut in, give it a nice tang to it. And with the spider web, it took a minute, but I think I'm settled on the Padauk. That would make quite a nice contrast and a very pretty knife. I've just sanded the horn. This is the deer horn one, and now we're going to shape the wooden handle, and then it's time for a reveal. And here's the wooden one, and that's all you're allowed to see so far. Time for the reveal.
And here they are in all their glory. If you're interested in any of these knives or any other knives I've made, you can find them at bowmanlithics.co.uk. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.